Now we will do question 2. It is construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length also. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. So here what we are going to do, we have to construct a circle to a circle of radius 4 cm. So first of all we will be drawing a circle of 4 cm. So we'll take a measurement of 4 cm. Okay. Keep it here in the center, and from there we will mark one circle. See, I have drawn a circle and it is of 4 cm. The center O and the radius is of 4 cm. Then they are telling from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm. Concentric means circles having the same center. So the next circle will have a radius of 6 cm, but the center will be same. Center will be O only. So now I will be taking the measurement of 6 cm. Very properly we will be taking the measurement of 6 cm. Your measurement should be accurate. So from here our center should remain same, and we will do the construction. So here outer circle is of radius 6 cm and inner circle is of radius 4 cm. Now we have to take one point on the outer circle. So from one point on the outer circle, so you are free to take anywhere. I am taking point here. Okay, so this point I am taking, let us name it anything you can name. I am naming it A. Okay, one point we have taken. So from A we have to draw two tangents to the inner circle. So what we are going to do, we will be joining A and O. Okay, then again keeping the point on O, taking the measurement more than half AO. Okay, respect में your measurement of the arc should be more than half. One arc upside, one arc below. Now placing it on A, one below and one up. Now see, it's not matching. So what I will do, I will place it again at O. Only you should remember the measurement of arc should not change. Now we will be joining this. Straight line it should be. And I am making it in a dotted manner. See, my motto is to get a center point. So this is the center point, and from here I will draw a circle. So let us name it, what we should name, let us name it O dash. So I'll take a radius equal to O dash and A, this, and from here I will be drawing the circle. See, inner circle we are bisecting at 2 points. You will look to the figure properly. From A we are drawing the tangent to the inner circle, so it is intersecting here. I used a blue color pen so that it is clearly visible to you, but you will be using pencil only. See again, from A where it is intersecting to the circle. And where it is intersecting, that point is your tangent. So now we will name it as T1 and we will name it here it as T2. Okay. Now mathematically you have to verify the length of tangents. So here we will be measuring with the scale and mathematically we will verify. So for mathematical verification there is very simple rule कि whenever we draw property I have told a tangent touching to the circle, from that point if I draw a perpendicular to the circle, it always makes an angle of how much degree? To the center of circle it will make an angle of 90 degree. Okay, so I'll change the color for you. This O dash. I'm making whole thing dark for you. Okay, see this T2 O dash. The tangent is to the outer circle, so this angle will be of 90 degree. I am drawing again one for you. You will not make it dark, beta. I am making it dark so that it should be clearly visible to you. This is the line where it is intersecting, and then from there O, this angle will be of 90 degree. Now what we are going to do is, inner radius we know, the measurement of inner radius is 4 centimeter and we are knowing the measurement of outer radius, bigger circle. The measurement is 6 centimeter. So here we can see that triangle OAT1. Okay, here in triangle, okay, we can write this as AT1O. Okay, in triangle AT1O, T1 is of 90 degree, angle T1 is equals to 90 degree, so it is a right angle triangle, and if it is a right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem will be applicable. So we will write by this theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that the side in front of 90 degree is hypotenuse. So Pythagoras theorem is h square is equals to p square plus b square. So here h square is equals to OA square. P square can be anything, it's your choice. So O T1 square plus B square is T1A square. This is our tangent. T1A. This is our tangent. Now we will put the value. So it will be 6 square is equals to 4 square plus T1A whole square. So it becomes 36. 4 square will come in this side. So what it will become? It will become 14 is equals to T1 A square. So the answer will come 20, and here square we will remove, so it will be root T1 A. Now you can solve it further. We can use the logic of its, what it can be done is 2 into 2 is equals to 4, and here 2 into 2 is equals to 4 into 5. So here 2 times 2 is coming. So you can take it out of the root. So what it will become? It will become 2 root 5 centimeter, and you can convert root 5 into the decimal point, and that will be your length. And we can measure here with the help of scale also. In both the cases your reading will come same. Okay.